Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Oppo has released a hot new mid-ranger called the F9 Pro in India and just F9 in other markets. It's got an attractive design on the back and a teardrop-shaped screen notch on the front. So, let's check it out. Let's see what's in the box. There's a folded little package here with a SIM key, and inside, a clear plastic case. Good deal. Beneath that, we have the phone itself inside a plastic wrapping. Cool. Take out this little tray and now we have a cable. It's micro USB here and we really wish Oppo would move on to USB Type-C already. But beneath that we get a pair of earbuds. And finally there's a 20-watt Vogue flash charger. So now that we have the Oppo F9 in our hands, let's go over its key features. First up, screen with a teardrop notch. In a world filled with notches, the Oppo F9 stands out from the pack with this super minimal round notch. This little cutout houses the selfie camera, and the earpiece above it. There is no option to hide it with a black bar, but it doesn't seem to need that. It's much smaller than almost any notch we've seen, and pretty unobtrusive. The screen itself is a tall 6.3-inch IPS LCD with a 1080p resolution. Content is sharp and colors look vivid. Next, a beautiful glass build. The Oppo F9 is made of shiny glass, and it's pretty eye-catching. Ours is in twilight blue, and the back is a lively gradient from light cyan to almost black. If you look closely, there's also a holographic diamond pattern beneath the surface. What takes away a bit of that premium feeling is that the phone feels a little too thick. Like other glass phones, it is slippery, and you wouldn't want to drop this one in a pool. There's no water protection. Third on the list, a large battery and fast charging. The Oppo F9 has a 3500 mAh battery, not the biggest we've seen, but pretty sizable. On top of that, it's running on a MediaTek Helio P60 chipset, along with 6 gigs of RAM. It's a powerful mid-range processor with decent power efficiency. Hopefully, this means that the F9's battery life will be good too. Charging the battery should be pretty fast, thanks to the bundled 20-watt Vogue fast charger. Next up, ColorOS. The Oppo F9's interface is ColorOS 5.2 over Android 8.1 Oreo. If you're looking for stock Android, you won't find it here. This is a new iteration of ColorOS, and it offers a few proprietary features. Since version 5.1, ColorOS uses AI to better optimize app performance, as well as displaying relevant information and app recommendations in the leftmost home screen panels. There's also a game space that can store all of your games and can block notifications while you're playing. New in version 5.2 is a smart bar that you can find while playing a game or watching a video. It gives shortcuts to switch between apps, transfer files, reply to messages, or take screenshots. And with music on display, you can opt to play only audio from a local video, if you just want to listen to the music soundtrack. Finally, a dual camera setup. On the back is a 16-megapixel f1.8 main cam and a 2-megapixel secondary cam, which is only a depth sensor. We snapped a few photos during the day for you to check out. And here's a portrait shot, which used info from the depth sensor to create a defocused background. So there you have it guys. The Oppo F9 with the Pro specs looks like a solid mid-range phone, and should be going for around $350 when it comes out. But what do you think about this teardrop-shaped notch? Is it a step in the right direction? Let us know down in the comments below, as well as any questions you might have, and we'll try to answer them in our full review coming soon. See ya!